Carpet One is here to help you through every step of your flooring purchase. Follow these simple tips to get ready for your flooring installation. First, remove breakable items. If you're removing the furniture, clear the room. If you've opted to have your installers remove the furniture, make sure that accessories, lamps, bed linens, and other small items are cleared from the space. Next, arrange for the disconnection of gas appliances and electronics, if necessary. And if the change in height of the floor will affect your ability to open and close doors, you may need to arrange to have doors adjusted prior to your flooring installation. Also, remove items in storage areas and closets where floors will be installed. And clean all old floors prior to new flooring installation. Finally, ensure the interior temperature is appropriate for installation. Now your home is ready. Let the experts at Carpet One Floor & Home take care of the rest.